Good morning, students. Class UKG. Open your EVS book, page number 4141. Today I am going to explain you chapter 11, People Who Help Us. Students, in our day-to-day life, many people help us. So in this chapter, I am going to explain you about the people who help us. First of all, let us go through this rhyme that is given in this cloud. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe, get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, then I will give you half a crown. This is very interesting poem, and this poem is all about a cobbler and a boy. Okay, so in this poem it is said that this boy went to this cobbler and says, Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Mend means repair, because the cobbler repairs our shoes. He mends our shoes. So he take his shoe to this cobbler and says, get it done by 2:30, and gives him times as well, that you have to mend my shoe till 2:30. 2:30 means till 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Then he tells about his shoes that you have to stitch it from upwards as well as from downward. Then I will give you half a crown. And he says for his work, he will give him some amount of money. Okay, half a crown means money. So this is how this cobbler is helping this boy in getting his shoes repair. Similarly, in our day-to-day life, there are many people who help us. Let us study about them. Many people help us every day. Yes, it is true that many people helps us in our daily life. Here are few of them. Let us study about them. Number 1, you can see this picture. Here one man is wearing a stethoscope and one boy is standing. So a doctor treats the sick. So this person is the doctor, and the duty of the doctor is to treat the sick. Sick means when some people fall ill, so we went to a doctor. So this is how a doctor helps us in our treatment. He is helping us na, he gives us medicine so that we get cure. After that, you can see one man is standing here and one board is there, students are sitting. So he is a teacher. A teacher teaches in the school. Students, as I am your teacher, nowadays due to the pandemic, I am teaching you online. So, in a way, I am also helping you in your studies. Similarly, other teachers also helps you in your study, in gaining knowledge. So, a teacher teaches in the school and he or she helps us in our studies. Next, you can see one man is there and he is cutting this cloth. So he is a tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. You have seen your mother wearing beautiful suits. So who has stitched those suits? A tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes. So he is helping us in wearing our clothes na? So that's why a tailor also helps us in our daily life. Next, you can see one man is there. A postman. He is a postman. A postman brings our letters. You have seen many times your doorbell rings and a man arrives with letters or parcels. So that man is called postman and he is helping us. How he is helping us? By bringing our letters. Okay. We are sitting at home and he is bringing our letters to us. So he, in a way, he is helping us in our daily life. Next, he is repairing shoes, mending the shoes. So he is a cobbler. I have already discussed about cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. After that, come to this fact box. To call the policeman for help, we need to call 100 on phone. Students, Policemen. Have you seen policemen? Yes, we all have seen policemen. The duty of policemen is to catch thieves. And students, if something wrong happens, for example, some murder or some theft happen, so whom we should call for help? We should call at 100 number to call policeman so that he can help us in our case. Okay, so policemen also helps us in our daily life. After that, come to page number 4 to 42. Here you can see one bus is there which is full of water tank, and one man is there who is putting off the fire. So he is a fireman. A fireman puts out the fire. When at some places fire puts on, then the duty of fireman is to put out the fire from there. So he is helping us. Next, a carpenter makes wooden things. Students, you have seen in your house your bed, your table, your chair, they all are made up of wooden things. Most of the time we have plastic chairs and tables also, but mostly we have seen wooden chair, tables, etc. Okay, so who has made these things for you? A carpenter. A carpenter makes wooden things. Next, he is a farmer. A farmer grows food grains for us. Students, we are very thankful to our farmers because by their help only we are able to get fruits and vegetables for us. So in a way, a farmer also helps us by providing us food grains. Next, who is he? He is painting the wall. He is a painter. A painter paints our houses. What is the duty of painter? A painter paints our houses. So students, as you can see in your house, who has painted your walls? Your mother, your father, brother. Who has painted them? No, they haven't painted. Your father, mother haven't painted your walls. Who has painted them? A painter has painted your house. Okay, so he has helped us in painting our house now. Yes, so a painter paints our house. Next, a gardener takes care of plants. Students, you have seen gardens na? In gardens, plants and trees are there. So who take cares of them? A gardener. A gardener take care of plants. Next, he is a policeman and he has caught one thief. And about policeman I have already discussed. A policeman catches thieves. Okay, so he helps us in stopping the bad things. Okay, and he protects us. A policeman protects us in our daily life. After that, come to this cloud. Can you name the person who give medicines to the patient in the hospital? No, the answer is not a doctor. Students, at times what happen when you get more ill, your condition is worse, you are admitted to the hospital. So, who gives you medicine in the hospital? Doctor? No, your doctor only prescribes medicine to you. Medicines are provided to the patient in the hospital by nurse. A nurse look after the patient. Okay, come to this yellow box. Many people help us every day. Yes, I have already told you many people helps us in our day-to-day life. Some of them are doctor, teacher, tailor, postman, cobbler, fireman, carpenter, farmer, painter, gardener, and policeman. I have discussed their roles in our daily life. So this is how they all help us in our day-to-day life. Students, now your homework is you have to go through this chapter once again. Okay, I hope you all have understood this chapter. Keep learning.